AutoHotKey has three main ways of playing sounds. SoundBeep will play a tone at a given frequency for a given number of milliseconds. Note that it starts and ends slightly harshly. Then there is SoundPlay. This can be used to play these 5 specific system sounds, which I got from the SoundPlay help page. Note that 32 doesn't seem to work. I managed to identify these two in common practice, but I couldn't remember specific times these ones came up. Finally, SoundPlay can play an audio file. The help page says that it can always do a .wav file. An MP3 file might work, but it depends on the codecs installed on the given operating system. I wanted a sound file with white noise in it, so from Sound Bible I got this Beach Waves sound, which is about 20 seconds long. After downloading it, I trimmed it down to 3 seconds for one specific wave crash, with some fading in and out. When you play a sound file with AutoHotKey, you need the code that follows it to take at least as much time as the length of the file, otherwise it cuts the sound short as it exits the AutoHotKey code. Here is my wave crash. And here it is without enough code following it.